How many days you
35.
35 days
So
after.
we gotta take all this dark stuff off. We can keep that for burgers if we want. See how much we're losing this. Yeah, gonna be good. There's a bone in here though.
Oh, Jimmy, I'm gonna just stop for a bit. How many days?
35.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we're left with, right, Coleman? We clean this all up. This is how much we had to take off, so quite a bit. And then I got these bones left here, so I'll probably put those on the smoker too, because there's a little bit of meat there that we can probably peel off after. So I'll get some shots when these are done.
Awesome.
Yeah. Is there anything in here? Is there anything in
Perfect, 135.